Welcome back to Healthy Lifestyle Tips, your trusted source for valuable insights on how to lead a healthy and fulfilling life. In today's video, we will delve into the fascinating world of nerve repair and explore the 10 best vitamins that play a pivotal role in supporting and rejuvenating your nervous system. Whether you're recovering from an injury or seeking to enhance your overall well-being, these essential vitamins are your allies in promoting nerve repair and maintaining optimal nerve function. So, let's dive deeper and uncover the remarkable benefits of these vital nutrients. 1. Vitamin B12. Known as the nerve vitamin, vitamin B12 is a crucial nutrient for maintaining healthy nerve cells and promoting nerve regeneration. This water-soluble vitamin is involved in the production of myelin, a protective sheath that covers nerve fibers. By ensuring an adequate intake of vitamin B12 through sources such as lean meats, fish, dairy products, and fortified cereals, you can support the repair and growth of damaged nerves. 2. Vitamin B6. Belonging to the B vitamin family, vitamin B6 is essential for nerve health and repair. It plays a crucial role in the synthesis of neurotransmitters, which are responsible for transmitting signals between nerve cells. Incorporating foods like bananas, chickpeas, avocados, and salmon into your diet ensures a sufficient supply of vitamin B6, contributing to optimal nerve function and repair processes. 3. Vitamin B1. Also known as thiamine, vitamin B1 is a key player in maintaining healthy nerve cells and overall nerve function. It plays a vital role in the metabolism of glucose, the primary source of energy for nerve cells. Including whole grains, nuts, pork, and legumes in your diet can ensure an ample supply of thiamine, supporting nerve repair and optimal nervous system function. 4. Vitamin E. With its potent antioxidant properties, vitamin E acts as a shield for nerves, protecting them from oxidative damage and promoting nerve repair. Additionally, vitamin E contributes to the formation of myelin sheaths, which enhance nerve communication. By incorporating foods such as almonds, sunflower seeds, spinach, and avocado into your diet, you can provide your body with the necessary vitamin E for nerve health and repair. 5. Vitamin D. Vitamin D is not only crucial for overall health but also plays a vital role in nerve repair. It assists in the production of neurotrophic factors, which are proteins that support the growth and repair of nerve cells. Adequate exposure to sunlight and the consumption of fatty fish, fortified dairy products, and eggs can help boost your vitamin D levels, promoting nerve repair and function. 6. Vitamin C. This well-known vitamin, also known as ascorbic acid, plays a vital role in collagen production, which is essential for the health of nerves and connective tissues. Additionally, vitamin C exhibits powerful antioxidant properties that protect nerves from damage caused by harmful free radicals. Including citrus fruits, bell peppers, strawberries, and broccoli in your diet will ensure a rich supply of vitamin C, aiding nerve repair processes. 7. Vitamin A. Vitamin A is instrumental in maintaining the integrity of the nervous system and supporting nerve repair. It promotes the growth of nerve cells and aids in the production of myelin, which protects and insulates nerves. Foods like carrots, sweet potatoes, spinach, and liver are excellent sources of vitamin A, providing the necessary nourishment for optimal nerve health and repair. 8. Vitamin B2. Also known as riboflavin, vitamin B2 is essential for nerve health and repair. It plays a vital role in the metabolism of fats and carbohydrates, providing the necessary energy for nerve cells to function and repair themselves. Including foods such as milk, eggs, fortified cereals, and leafy greens in your diet will ensure an adequate intake of riboflavin, supporting optimal nerve repair processes. 9. Vitamin B3. Niacin, or vitamin B3, is an essential nutrient for maintaining healthy nerve cells and promoting nerve repair. It plays a crucial role in energy production and is involved in the synthesis of fatty acids required for the formation of the myelin sheath. Foods like chicken, tuna, peanuts, and mushrooms are excellent sources of vitamin B3, providing the necessary nourishment for optimal nerve repair and function. 10. Vitamin B9. Last but certainly not least, vitamin B9, also known as folate or folic acid, is essential for nerve cell regeneration and repair. It supports the production of DNA and aids in the maintenance of a healthy nervous system. Including leafy greens, citrus fruits, legumes, and fortified grains in your diet will ensure an adequate supply of vitamin B9, contributing to optimal nerve health and repair processes. Ensuring an adequate intake of these 10 essential vitamins can significantly contribute to nerve repair and overall nerve health. Remember to adopt a balanced approach by incorporating a wide variety of nutrient-rich foods into your diet. Consult with your healthcare provider to determine the appropriate dosage and address any specific concerns you may have. Stay tuned to Healthy Lifestyle Tips for more insightful videos on living your best life. Wishing you a journey filled with vibrant nerve health and overall well-being.